Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by importing your high frame rate footage into Capcut and setting the timeline to match target playback. Once done, skim clips to pick motion segments and mark and slash out points so you work on tight sections. Make sure stabilization is off initially to avoid conflicts. You want raw frames for motion smoothing. Then place clips on the timeline in the order you intend to appear, trim excess, and prepare one clip for the first speed adjustment step. You now convert steady motion into fast yet smooth movement by using speed curve. Pull keyframes to ease in and out so velocity changes gradually. While adjusting, toggle frame interpolation, choose optical flow for complex movement or frame blend for simple scenes, because interpolation fills missing frames for smoothness. Also add short speed ramps of 0.5 to 2 seconds at transitions to mask popping. Make sure to preview at full resolution. You finish by applying subtle motion blur and stabilization only if needed, then render a short test clip at final settings to confirm smoothness. Once done, export at the target frame rate and bitrate so playback matches your edits. If you see warping or ghosting, revert optical flow and try frame blending or lower the speed change magnitude. Sometimes splitting the clip and using multiple smaller ramps solves artifacts. Make sure to save project versions so you can roll back quickly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.